So as you can see here, I've got a nice patch of green short grass. In this area, I did snow blow this area, so that's why there's no snow here. And I am almost going to bet you that in this place where I cleared the snow is probably going to be the only place that I do not have any snow mold. Once all this other snow melts, we're going to see how much snow mold I've got. So as you can see from here, the temperature outside is about 40 degrees. So I really want to get in on this pre-emergent talk. Everybody's getting into the pre-emergent. When should I put it down? This, that, and the other, and granular, liquid, all this stuff. So you want to wait until your soil temperature is at around 50 degrees. I'm not sure where mine's at. I think it's about 35 degrees. There you go, 36. So I still have several weeks to go. I kind of was secretly hoping that I could put it down tomorrow. I was thinking that all this snow was going to melt overnight, but I'm not thinking that's going to be the case when it's about 40 degrees outside and my soil temperatures are around 35. But as you can see here, I've got this path that does not have any snow here. I was snow blowing this section through the winter, so I'd have a walking path to the front door. And then also I do want to see the difference of this section that I did a lot of walking on, that I did shovel, that was totally frozen. I want to show the difference between this and the areas that were snow covered and insulated in snow. So I do see a couple of small patches of snow mold here. As you can see, it kind of looks just like cobwebs. Some pretty nasty looking stuff. Here's some more of it. So for the most part, I do not have any snow mold in the section that I did snow blow and that I kept clear of snow. And the sections that had snow from here over, as you can see, there is snow mold. So I'd be willing to bet that as soon as this snow melts in about 2 weeks, there's going to be quite a lot of snow mold under that section. And there probably will be quite a bit of vole damage. I'm crossing my fingers that there will not be vole damage, but I'm pretty sure there will be some vole damage. So anyways, I just kind of wanted to get in on that pre-emergent talk because everybody else gets to talk about pre-emergent, but I'm over here with the snow still on the lawn going, I want to put my pre-emergent down. You guys put yours down, I want to put mine down. And that's bull crap that you guys get to put it down. So this all leads to the perfect growing conditions for cool season grass. You will see in about 2 months, I will be dominating the rest. And you will see it will look fine and beautiful. I cannot wait to start mowing this. So coming back to the thermometer, we can see that it's 36 degrees. So I still got about 15 degrees left that I need to go until I can put the pre-emergent down. So anyways, that is it. That needs to read 50 degrees and I'm about 36. So got about 15 degrees to go. And that 15 degrees is going to take probably several weeks to get here. Probably 3 or 4 weeks until I'm putting my pre-emergent down, which is a shame, but like I said, all leads to perfect grass going conditions for Kentucky bluegrass and cool season grass.